In this video, I'll guide you through how to log out of Honeybook on your laptop or desktop, whether you're wrapping up your work for the day or simply switching accounts. Signing out of your Honeybook session is a straightforward process. Let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to the bottom left corner of your Honeybook screen. This is where you'll find your profile photo or your initials displayed, depending on how your account is set up. Your profile icon serves as the gateway to a few key options, including logging out. It's a small but important area of the interface, so make sure you locate it before proceeding. Once you've found your profile photo or initials, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt a pop-up menu to appear. This menu provides a few different options related to your account settings and actions. Among these options, you'll find the one we're looking for, Log Out. Clicking on Log Out will immediately end your current session, ensuring that your account is secure and that you're ready to either close the application or switch to a different account. This step is crucial, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Logging out keeps your personal and professional information safe from unauthorized access. It's also worth noting that regularly logging out when you're done using Honeybook is a good habit to develop. Not only does it enhance security, but it also ensures that your data remains private, particularly in environments where multiple users may have access to the same device. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully logged out of Honeybook. Remember, keeping your account secure is as simple as clicking a few buttons, and now you can rest assured that your information is protected. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on navigating Honeybook and other platforms.